Good morning, guys, and welcome back. As you can see, we are not on the farm this morning. We're going for a little road trip. Kind of had a little bit of a yucky day this morning. Overcast, a little drizzly. So we figured we'd take a quick little road trip this morning and go look at something that has recently come in that the kids are very excited about. That has to do with the equipment swap that we're doing. I'm not going to spoil the surprise just yet, but that's where we're headed. Hopefully the weather's supposed to improve and get a little nicer this afternoon, so we'll probably try to get into something this afternoon, but this morning we're just going to take our little road trip here, me and the two monsters back there, my monster helpers. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
So we're headed down to do that. I thought I would talk just a little bit about the forestry stuff. So we've made a bunch of progress with that this week. We have submitted the plan to the Conservation Society. They seem to be happy with it. We do have a meeting with them next Friday just to walk some of the areas that we're going to be doing stuff on. But they seem very, very happy with what we've done. So that's good news. We also have started to get stuff moving as far as wetlands and wetlands notifications and tax stuff. We've started to kind of get the ball rolling. So hopefully we are on track to do a fall harvest and to get some acreage cleared for more Christmas trees and some hay fields and pasture land and stuff. So that's real good news. The tractor stuff is progressing. Hopefully we'll have a big reveal video this week. We'll see though. Still waiting for a few things to kind of connect, and then we'll do a big reveal on everything that's been going on with that and why we did it and what we got and all that good stuff. All right, guys, so we're back from our road trip. We had a nice lunch, and now we're gonna get to work. It's a beautiful day, sun's out. We're gonna go cut a bunch of rounds. Me and Lexi, my helper, gonna go cut a bunch of rounds, and we're gonna bring them up and we're gonna split them. So stay tuned.
Sunglasses looking so right, hitting the streets
Alright guys, you ran out of juice. I think we're going to call it a day today. We got a bunch of wood split. We actually got the trailer all wired up. We had a few issues with the trailer, as I talked about in a previous video, but that is all set now. I had to actually run an independent ground wire for all the lights, but all that's done, and hopefully my buddy will be here to pick up his trailer soon, and that'll be out of here. So anyway guys, that's going to wrap this video up. Like I always say, if you like these videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and comment. You know, tell us what you think, and we'll see you in the next one.